We begin our journey in Quincy, Massachusetts, the birthplace of John Hancock, born in 1737, first signer of Declaration of Independence, first governor of Massachusetts, and the man who signed Quincy into a town in 1792. From history, we roll straight to the present. We crossed the Neponset River in North Quincy, where the freezing wind blasts our face, sending chill through our body. But we keep riding. Along the Dorchester Shore Reservation, past Tenzin Beach, the ocean stretched beside us in quiet winter beauty. We passed UMass Boston, rode through South Boston, and paddled by the Gillette headquarters, where industry meets legacy. At the Boston waterfront, skyscraper rose through the gloomy winter night, cold but stunning. With frozen hand, we took a warm break at Finney Hall, where a giant Christmas tree glowed and families gather in holiday joys. Warm up, we continue to Lynn Pine Hill Pathway, but choose to end our ride early at Anthony Pier 4 in Swampscott. Good job. Right here. 25 mile, 3 hour, one unforgettable ride through history, winter, and the bonds of father and son. Thank you for watching.